Hey y'all, I'm back with another wig review and unboxing, and today we're working with YMY hair. They sent us over some wig caps, a melting band, edge brush, this cute little YMY hair clip, and some lashes. And this is the unit they sent over, so let's get into the details on this unit. So y'all, we have a 13x6 unit. This is my favorite kind of lace ever. I love a 13x6 unit. This is also pre-plucked and pre-bleached, y'all, so I don't know, these wig companies really been up in their game, and this is already pre-plucked, okay, pre-bleached. And I like how this lace is like brown. It doesn't look like super white. Look how that's just kind of already melted into my hand. Like, let's get into that. And then again, I just can't get over this 13x6 lace. Like, I love a 13x6 lace. And this is the deep wave, y'all. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so jumping right into this install, I'm just cutting this lace so that it fits around my ear and there's no extra lace hanging off. And then I did go in and pluck the front just a little bit more to my liking. This is all up to personal preference. You don't have to do this step, but I did it just to, you know, my personal liking. And then I'm pulling out my sideburns, pulling out my baby hairs, and all that jazz. So once I have those pulled out and then I hot comb them a little bit in the direction I want them to lay, I'm taking my Even Wonder lace bond and spraying my lace. And apparently y'all, Even Wonder lace bond been canceled for a long time now, and I did not know that because I be using this in every video. So why didn't nobody tell me that this was canceled? Like, they was on TikTok talking about we don't use Even no more, and they've been saying that for a while. I'm like, why am I just now finding this out, like that y'all been canceled this a while ago? But anyways, yeah, sprayed that on my lace. That's what I have right now, and I'll be using it till I run out. And then I put my band on, and now I'm just cutting my baby hairs to a length that I like. I always do my sideburns longer because I like long sideburns. I don't know, like I like short ones too, but lately I just been loving some long dramatic sideburns, and yeah, that's just what I like. So yeah, first hairstyle I'm doing is a deep side part. So taking my wax stick, going in sections, and getting it super duper flat over here on this side. So once I got my wig super duper flat, I'm just cutting off my lace now with the eyebrow razor. Then I take my baby flat iron and curl my baby hairs. I don't know why I do this because, I mean, once I lay down my baby hairs, they don't really be like in that exact shape anymore, especially if I'm putting product on my baby hairs. So I mean, I don't know. I don't know why I do that, but I feel like it kind of does help it look cuter. I don't know. So yeah, I did my baby hairs like this because I want them to look very natural. And I love the way I swoop my baby hairs right here. Like, I don't know, I feel like they just look so natural and cute. Like, I just love the way they turned out. So far I'm loving my install, and like, I don't know, when I be doing my hair, y'all, I was convincing myself that this did not look good. I was looking at my hair like, I don't like this, like I don't like this style. But like, looking back at it now on camera, it's like it was nothing wrong with my hair. Like, it looks so cute right now. But yeah, now I'm just taking some water, wetting this hair, drenching it, combing through it, and detangling it so that I can define my curls. And I put a little bit of mousse on my roots to help flatten out the wig because I like my wig to be really flat and just like juicy. Like, I like the top to be flat, the curls to be juicy and wet, so that when it dries, it just dries so defined and pretty. Then I did take some concealer and put that on my part. So y'all, the install is finished and the hair is pretty much dry. It's still a little bit damp, but I mean, for the most part, the hair is dry. And the hair dried so freaking full. This texture, I think this is deep wave, and I am impressed with how full the hair dried. I don't know why I didn't expect the hair to dry this full, but it is drying pretty full, and I do like that. And y'all know I love me a 13x6 lace, so I love that this lace is super deep, so I could do a deep side part. Let's get into it. I love that. First, when the hair was like wet, I was noticing the curls were kind of like coiling around each other, like coiling around themselves. But I don't know, the hair is drying a lot more fuller than I thought, and it looks a bit different when it's dried. And for those curls that are kind of like this, where they're like wrapped around each other, I think that's just the texture of the hair, and I kind of just been like separating the curls, and I like how it looks, you know, like once I separate those curls, it looks more full. But yeah, y'all, I do like this unit, and I am going to do another style really quick just to show y'all how versatile this 13x6 unit is. So yeah, y'all know I had to do a side part. I love a side part down. Love the fullness of this hair, love the size of the lace, and yeah, this wig is just super duper. So yeah, like I said right here, I was getting ready to do a half up half down, and I'm just looking at this like, dang, my hairline really look good. Like, yeah, it's giving real hair. But so yeah, I'm just hot combing that into place for this half up half down. And I don't know why I thought to pull out this little bit of hair thinking it was gonna be cute, and like I don't know why it didn't turn out cute. I don't know if the hair was just thin at the ends or what happened, like if it was because the hair was wet, but like them two little pieces right there did not look cute at all. Maybe I didn't pull out enough. I don't know what I did wrong, but like that just did not look cute at all. Something was going on with the wig. I'm like, let me just put that right back where I got it from. So yeah, I was just really trying to feel it, y'all. I'm like, I'm not feeling this at all. Like I look like an alien or something. So I still put it in the ponytail to see anyways if I was gonna like it better in the ponytail, and I did not end up liking it, y'all. I even tried moving it to one side, and that still did not look cute. So I just put it back into the ponytail, and I thought this looked much cuter. Like this right here, this look eased down. It's just giving like baby doll Barbie. Like a half up half down is just so cute and so girl la la. Like I love a half up half down. I don't know why I don't do that more. Like it just looks so freaking cute with the edges. Like I ate my edges today, y'all. Like tell me it's not giving real hair. Tell me, like please tell me. I could fool anybody. Yeah, I know. So yeah, these are some clips of the hair in the half up half down. I did not take a lot of clips with the hair in the side part because like I told y'all, for some reason I was convincing myself that my side part was ugly. Whole time that side part was tea. So like all I have is clips of the hair in this half up half down style, which turned out really cute. So yeah, this is the style I did, y'all, and this is the final looks of the hair. And yeah, y'all watch to the end for the final review on this hair. Alright y'all, so this is the final looks of the hair, and I think this hairstyle is really cute. I love half up half downs. I don't know why I don't do them more often. I think because I work out a lot, and like sometimes having my hair slicked back, like that's hard when I'm working out and sweating and stuff, and like the, you know, the tension from the ponytail. But I love half up half downs, and I think that this hairstyle is literally so freaking cute. Like I feel so cute with this half up half down. So yeah, and this being a 13x6 wig, this is literally all lace, so I can do those kind of styles, and I just feel like this hair is so cute. I love the curl pattern on this unit. I love the lace base, and I actually cannot wait to do more styles with this wig because it is a 13x6. Honestly, the middle part, if I did a middle part, it would have went like all the way to back here. So yeah, I do love this unit, y'all. And this is a unit from YMY hair, and this is my first time working with this company, but let me just say I hope it's not my last because I love 13x6 wigs, and that's exactly what they sent me today. I think everything just turned out so cute. Like yeah, this is really cute. So again, this is their deep wave unit, their 13x6 deep wave unit in 26 inches. I think this is 26 inches, and this is a unit from, again, YMY hair. So if y'all do want to shop this unit, of course the links will be down below in my description box to get this unit. And yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all are not subscribed, and comment down a blue heart at the end of this video if you made it this far, please, because it would make me happy, and I would appreciate knowing that you did watch this far. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for more content because I got lots of stuff on the way for y'all. So yeah, love y'all so much. Bye.